10 Best Places to Visit in Morocco. Sidi Ifni, a small fishing town along Morocco's southwest coastline, offers beautiful beaches, great surf spots, and awe-inspiring rock formations. The city stands out with its blue and white painted buildings, creating a delightful contrast against its desolate surroundings. Lively cafes and restaurants can be found along the ocean front and around the souk and old Spanish town. Don't miss the excellent beach, perfect for surfing and kite surfing, or the nearby Essaouira beach with its spectacular rock arch. Morocco's capital, Rabat, is often overlooked but well worth a visit. With peaceful boulevards, an atmospheric old Medina, and interesting historical sites, Rabat is a lovely place to wander around. The well-preserved Kasbah is the main attraction, featuring a delightful old mosque, an idyllic Andalusian garden, and a magnificent museum. From the Kasbah, enjoy astonishing views over Rabat, its large public beach, and the ocean. Known as the City of 100 Minarets, Meknes is a treasure trove of monuments, mosques, palaces, and pavilions. Explore the city's golden past and visit the Dar Jamai Palace, the Sultan's sumptuous palace, and the famous Bab Mansour Gate. Despite its historical sites, Meknes has a laid-back atmosphere, animated marketplaces, and a vibrant agricultural industry. Nestled among the Rif Mountains, Chefchaouen is famous for its picturesque blue-painted buildings. Explore the winding, narrow alleys of the old Medina, visit the centuries-old Kasbah and lively souk, and enjoy the surrounding mountains and hills with their amazing scenery and waterfalls. With a glorious history dating back to the Phoenicians, Asilah is a charming seaside resort town. Explore the restored Medina surrounded by fortifications, visit Paradise Beach, and immerse yourself in the growing art scene. Essaouira, an 18th-century town on Morocco's Atlantic coastline, is a popular beach destination. Enjoy kite surfing and windsurfing, explore the crafts in the Medina, and savor fresh seafood from the city's restaurants and seaside stalls. Don't miss the Nawa Festival of World Music and the Bird Sanctuary at Falcon Island. Fes, Morocco's handicraft center, offers a bustling ambiance in its historic old town, the Medina Fes El Bali. Wander through the narrow streets and alleys filled with souks and shops, and visit the Dar Batha Museum and the Bo Inania Madersa. Fes also has a Ville Nouvelle, or New City, with modern accommodations. The High Atlas mountain range offers outdoor recreation opportunities year-round, from snow sports in the winter to hiking in the summer. Visit Toubkal National Park, home to Morocco's highest peak, Jebel Toubkal, and explore the Tadra Gorge and Ait Benhaddou, a traditional mud brick city. Merzouga, a small village near the Algerian border, is a popular base for exploring the Sahara Desert. Experience camel trekking, spend a night in a desert camp, and witness the breathtaking beauty of the sand dunes. Casablanca, Morocco's largest city, offers a mix of modernity and heritage. Visit the iconic Hassan II Mosque, explore the vibrant Medina, and enjoy the city's lively nightlife and culinary scene. Whether you're looking for ancient history, stunning landscapes, or vibrant culture, Morocco has it all. Plan your visit to these 10 best places and immerse yourself in the colorful country.